while the Galaxy S7 Edge's screen is altogether different to the Samsung Galaxy S7's by righteousness of being bended. A similar contrast is absent this year, as both the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus have a bended infinity show, consequently why the Edge name has been jettisoned. They additionally both utilize Super AMOLED innovation, and they both have a widescreen 18.5:9 perspective proportion with a 1440 by 2960 determination, which is an overhaul on the 1440 by 2560 screen on the Ergo's handsets. Along these lines, as you have presumably speculated, the size is the genuine distinction, as the Samsung Galaxy S8 has a 5.8-inch show, while the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus has a 6.2-inch one. It's significant that this implies the screen on the S8 Plus is less sharp with less pixels per inch, yet it's not a distinction you're probably going to see much by any means. There's no distinction here between the gadgets. However, there are diverse renditions of the telephone set to discharge in specific locales around the world. The two handsets have 4 GB of RAM, yet the chipset may vary contingent upon where you are. In the US, your telephone will have the Snapdragon 835, and somewhere else, you'll be running the Samsung-made Exynos 8895. Exynos chipsets have a notoriety for beating Qualcomm's each yet. However, in any case, despite everything, you're getting a frontline Optus-Center chipset that is more than fit at biting through present and future applications and diversions. Both the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus and the standard Samsung Galaxy S8 additionally run Android Nougat, overlaid with Samsung's TouchWiz UI. The Samsung Galaxy S8 will cost $720, £689, $1,349 sans SIM, which makes it a standout amongst the most costly telephones cash can purchase. While the Galaxy S8 Plus expense is $825, £779.99, $1,349, on the off chance that you need to get it at this moment. So you will be spending a considerable amount of additional cash on the bigger Samsung.